Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a native splash screen in Flutter. Okay, I've created this new Flutter project and I've opened it on VS Code. Okay, first of all, let's open up the browser and go to the pub.dev and search for Flutter native splash. Okay, this package. Okay, you'll get this package over here, which has like 1.1 million downloads for now. Okay, I'm going to use this package to add the native splash screen. Okay, it will make easier to add the native splash screen to our Flutter project. Now go to this link and go click on the installing tab and copy this command line, or you can just copy this and add to the dependencies in the pubspec.yaml file. I'm going to run this command in the terminal to the project directory in the VS Code. Now if you open up the pubspec.yaml file, as you can see, this new package has been added to our Flutter project. Okay. Now open the browser again and click on the readme tab. Okay, and roll down. We added this to the dependency, and now let's copy this Flutter native splash and okay, over here let's paste that code here and roll down, and you can make the Android false if you do not want this native splash screen, if you do not want to so for the Android platform, and make iOS false or web false if you do not want to show this native splash screen to the specific platforms. Okay, now copy this color. It's going to be background color of the splash screen, and paste just below that U like this. If you see here, it's below the U. Okay, you can change the color as per your need. Okay, and also let's copy this image, copy that and paste it here. Okay, let's make the new folder inside the lib folder, and let's say assets. Now let's drag the image. Okay, let's drag the image to this assist folder. Okay, this is going to be center splash logo. Let's set the path here where this image is inside the lib folder and assets folder, and image name, the logo PNG. Use the PNG image. Let's copy this path, and you have to set it over here also. Okay, paste that image path here also. Okay, set the image path like this here also, if you are using the image here. And let's open the browser again and roll down. Okay, you can set the full screen true, as default it's false. Okay, now if your Android version is uh, 12 or above 12, then you have to set this also. Let's copy this and paste it here just like it. Okay, and also image center logo of this splash screen. Okay, and now run the command flutter pop get, or you can click on this icon. And now run this command dot run flutter native splash create to the terminal. Okay, as you can see, it created the native splash screen, and you see the success message there. Now let's run the app and let's see if it's changed or not. Okay, here is the logo, and you can see the background color also. Okay, let's change the background color to something else like black color or white color, sorry. Let's reload. Let's run the. You have to run this command again. Dot run flutter native splash create, and let's run the app again. Okay, you have to change it over here also. Sorry. If your Android version is 12 or above 12. Now run that command again and run the app again. Okay, you see the white color here on this logo in the center of this splash screen. Okay, and open the browser again, and you can see the documentation. You can set the this for the dark mode. Copy this. You can set the background color for the dark mode like this. And for the wave, and also you can change the image or set the image for dark mode separately like this. For the dark mode, you can use different image as per your need. Okay, guys, this is how you can add the native splash screen in Flutter. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.